In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize a Lightbox element in your Webflow project. If you're looking to create engaging image galleries or showcase videos with a sleek user experience, the Lightbox is a perfect tool for you. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, we'll begin by adding the Lightbox element to your canvas. To do this, open the Add panel by pressing Shift+A on your keyboard. Once the panel is open, navigate to the Advanced section. Here you'll find the Lightbox element. Click on it and drag it onto your canvas. This action introduces the basic Lightbox structure to your project, and it's ready for customization. With the Lightbox now on your canvas, the next step involves selecting the Lightbox link. Simply click on it. This is the clickable area that your users will interact with to open the Lightbox itself. It's critical as it dictates how and where the Lightbox appears when someone engages with it. Moving on, let's set up the media that will be featured in your Lightbox. Look to the right of your screen where you'll find the Element Settings panel. In this panel, locate the Lightbox Link Settings section. Here you'll want to click on the Add List Item icon. This is where you introduce new media to your Lightbox. Now let's decide on the type of media you wish to showcase. You have two primary options, images or videos. If you choose to feature an image, upload your desired photograph directly within the interface. You can also take a moment to add a caption to give viewers additional context or information if you feel it enhances their experience. If a video is more your style, then paste the shareable link from a platform such as YouTube into the provided space. This method of embedding ensures smooth playback within your Lightbox. Once your media is set, you have the option to style the initial display of the Lightbox link element, much like you would with any other element in Webflow. For instance, you might want to change the image that operates as your thumbnail to replace it with a more enticing choice. This aesthetic touch can more effectively draw in viewers. To further tailor your Lightbox, use Webflow's standard styling options to modify the Lightbox link and the media inside. Adjust elements like typography or apply different aspect ratios to your image to ensure everything looks just right on various devices and screen sizes. If a single piece of media is not enough and you want to create a gallery, you're in luck. Just add additional list items to your Lightbox, each one representing a different image or video. This setup allows users to easily navigate through your collection once they've opened the Lightbox. It's an excellent way to showcase a series of related media seamlessly. And there you have it, a complete guide to adding and customizing a Lightbox in Webflow. With these tools, you can craft visually stunning displays that are sure to captivate your audience. Happy designing, and I'll see you in the next video.